There's a stretch of road in central New Jersey that most people pass without ever noticing. It's just a quiet turn off the main road, and suddenly everything slows down. This is Long Road, winding gently for about 2 miles through the landscape, taking you from Bridgewater Township into Bernard's Township. In the early spring, before the leaves return, the woods feel different. The trees stand bare, almost skeletal, their branches stretching across the sky like a web. There's a stillness here, nothing hidden, nothing rushed, just the raw shape of the land. As the road begins to climb, you're no longer just driving, you're moving up along the ridge of the Second Watchung Mountain. It's a gentle rise that you barely notice, but there are the curves that lean a little tighter than expected, and you feel the quiet separation from everything you left behind. The forest closes in around you, but not in a heavy way. It's open, airy this time of year. Sunlight slips easily through the branches and catches your eyes. Every turn reveals just a little more, another bend, another pocket of stillness. There's almost no traffic here. No noise beyond the hum of the car and the occasional rustle of wind through the trees. It's the kind of place that feels almost forgotten, like it's been here the same way for decades, unchanged.
And maybe that's the beauty of it.
In a state known for its highways and rush, this road offers something quieter, something slower. A reminder that even here, there are places where you can step outside the pace of everyday life. As Long Road continues to wind through the ridge, it never rushes to its destination. It meanders, it takes its time, and if you let it, it invites you to do the same. By the time you reach the other side, nothing dramatic has happened. No landmark, no grand reveal, just a simple drive. But sometimes that's exactly what you need. A quiet road, bare trees against a pale sky, and a few uninterrupted minutes to just move forward.